If you haven't done this, your WhatsApp can be hacked before you wake up tomorrow. Watch this video till the end. Scammers are stealing accounts every single second using different tricks. But there is a hidden 20-second setting that makes your account 100% unhackable. This is called two-step verification. Two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication, is an extra security layer to your digital accounts, which require you to put a special security PIN or two different forms of identification when logging in to your accounts to prove it's actually you. If hacker steals your SMS code or OTP, they own your account. But two-step verification adds a security PIN that only you knows. Even if someone steal your SIM card, get your SMS code or OTP, they can't get in without that PIN. It takes 20 seconds to set up. Open your WhatsApp right now and follow these exact steps. Okay, so open your WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp Business, at the bottom button you will see settings. In just the place you are seeing you. So here, this is normal WhatsApp. Then tap on that you, or if you are using WhatsApp Business, tap on settings. Then you will see an account. Tap on account. Then tap on two-step verification. So in this place, tap on turn on. Then set a password that you remember. Set a password that is easy for you to remember and also not easily guessed by others. So it will require you to set an email. This email is important because if you forget your password, you will use the email to recover your password and also regain access to your account. So you add an email. This one, add your email that you will remember and send a code will be sent to your email. Then verify the code in your email and put the 6-digit code that is sent. Then you click on verify. Then it's set. This is just to protect your account in case of anybody want to log into your account and or somebody have unauthorized access to your account. Without this two-step verification, they can't gain access. Even if they have your OTP, they will have to input this code first before they will have access to your account. So ensure you set it and also know your password, and don't share, no matter what, don't share your two-step verification password. Thank you for watching this video, and do well to subscribe to this channel, give us a comment and a like, and share to others so that others also will save and secure their account from all hackers. See you again in next video. Thank you.